What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. What's up YouTube? Welcome back. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And a big thank you to all my 8,115 subscribers in my channel. So today's vlog is a simple vlog. We are going to get our first baby serviced. Yeah, what's the first baby? It's my wife's car, and she respects and she loves her car so much. So we're just going for a normal service. So we're just going to take the car, clean it up, and some oil change and something like that. So I hope you like the vlog for today. It's just going to be a normal vlog. I hope you like my vlogs. Please do subscribe, share, and do comment on my vlogs. Your support is much needed, and yeah, enjoy the vlog. Actually, I have got a gift from my sister, this beautiful Samsung Gear headset. I have not opened it yet. It's almost more than months, I believe. So why not I just show you a gadget information blog about this. So let's see. I heard it's good. So let's do a preview on this, most probably very soon. Same sound. Just for you all to know, the heat is already started in UAE. So be prepared. Whoever's living in UAE, be prepared for the jacuzzi treatment. Alright guys, for the record, Just want to inform you all, I am a good cook. That's what my wife says.
That's the truth.
How much do you love my food?
Pretty much.
Which is the best dish?
The lamb that you made once, which I've never had it again.
What lamb?
Lamb.
Yeah, lamb what? Lamb fry, lamb.
It was some lamb curry which you made,
Okay.
but it was probably one of the best things that I've had. I've had amazing mushroom capsicum
Okay.
and quite a lot of things actually, because you were not cooking before.
I never cooked before.
Well, I don't know that, but in front of me you were not cooking. You started cooking off late. But
What do you don't know that?
how would I know before I met you how much you were cooking or not cooking?
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
But yeah, of late you've been cooking pretty nice stuff, and the best is the Yuan Club sandwich.
Yes. That's the signature.
That's the signature dish.
So yes guys, I hope you heard it. Yes, yes, yes. I don't know how she loves it, but not only she, her colleagues, my friends, my family members, except my mom.
Because she feels you make it very spicy.
Yeah. So people say I'm a good cook. I am a good cook. I hope I am a good cook. But yes, I'm a good cook in a dish which is rasam, which is the #1 South Indian Tamilian rasam, which is the Indian soup. Which one? What?
No,
No?
that's not the best in you know.
Then which is the best? For me, is the best. Okay, which is the best?
What I love the most, what you make is one is Yuan Club sandwich.
Okay, you want club sandwich, which Majid Bhai also likes.
Yeah.
Mm.
The second one that I really like is mushroom capsicum.
Okay.
I like chicken kadhai that you made the other day.
Previously.
The other day, yeah.
Previously.
Yeah.
Few days back.
Few
yeah.
days back.
So just for the record, she is always advising me, and her friends are also advising her, and her colleagues are advising her for me to open a cooking channel.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking about it. But I love doing it. But I'm thinking about it. We have a beautiful kitchen. But the only thing is, I'm just thinking, do I have to? Start it? But let's see. So just for the record, I'm a good cook. So what is the best 5 things of me? Number 1.
Number 1 would be dance.
Okay. Number 2.
Cooking.
Okay. Number 3.
Travel vlogs.
Which
We are doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Number 4.
You have to cover the food of those specific places which is famous, which people must try.
Okay, done. And last but not the least, number 5.
Cricket.
Okay, you've seen me playing cricket.
Yes, I have bowled for you as well.
Yeah, that's true. She's bowled me. If you see a blog of mine which I was playing 50 balls in IMPZ, I'll send the link above. Just have a look. I was hitting the best shots and she bowled me finally. So here we are at the service station for our car. So I'll see you all again. You have to go inside. 5 kilometers. Open is saying. Which is the oil? Which oil? போனாட்டி இங்க போடும்போது எவ்வளவு வரணும் 5000 kilometers எந்த oil? Which oil is asking? Delhi 80 dirham
Or 8,000 ka?
8000 ka? 8000 ka?
8,000 and 10,000.
10,000. So here we are at the oil service center, changing oil for the car at the Abdul Rahman Al Naeem tire repair. The best part, they are from my city, Chennai, Tamilans. Had a good chat with them, and one of the workers are from Calcutta, Bengali, which is from my wife's city. So we had a good chat with them. Where's the camera? It's here.
It's here behind you.
Behind me.
Behind you.
How dusty it is. John, look at the dust. You'll go, how the AC?
I've just started. Oh, yes.
Okay. Huh?
I put out 2 only, but it's like cooling off.
Okay then. Once the car's back, we'll take it reverse.
Yep.
Yeah? So oil service done, and now it's to clean and wash Dhanno. What's our car's name?
Dhanno.
Dhanno. By the way, this is a good place to come and do your service. You have 2 nationalities which can speak multi-language: Tamil, Bengali, Hindi, Malayalam, English, little bit
Arabic also.
Arabic. Good. So it's a good place. It's very cheap. It's in which place is this?
It's in Sharjah near Baby Shop.
Sharjah, just behind Baby Shop. So if you have any car and you want to do service, our advice, our recommendation is to come to this place.
Wash? 45. Including vacuuming and everything. Yes. 45. And the bottom as well as being washed? You do it here.
Okay.
Okay, so I bring it here.
Is it for vacuum also and washing also?
Yeah.
All. Huh? Yeah, all. Yeah. So we just
Slow down.
what?
Why did it slow down?
You can lift it up. So we're just going to pay for the cleaning service at the bunk. If you service in a petrol bunk, water vacuum, water service? Yeah, car wash and vacuum, it's around 45 dirhams. But if you go to a private place, it's more cheaper. But we recommended to do it in a bunk. So right now we are taking it after the wash. We're taking it for the vacuum. So the place is all clean and stuff. So yes guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog for today. It was very simple. It was just all about my wife's Dhanno, which is her first child. So she loves to take care of him. And him or her?
Her.
Okay, her. She loves to keep him she loves to keep her clean. So we just wanted to make a vlog, just like a normal vlog on her car service. So we went and did some car service, some oil change. I've given you the name of the place where you want to go and do the service. It's very nice, it's cheap, and they do good work. They don't charge you like the other places. And then we went to the Adnock station to do the service for the car, which is the water service, the vacuum. We want to do it on a private place, but we didn't have time to go there because we have our son with us, so we didn't want to go there. Yes, the private place is much more cheaper and the work is good, but we didn't want to go there. But we here at the Adnock and we did well. It was good, it was clean, and yes, all set. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog for today, and I will see you on the next vlog. Till then, do whatever you want to do double, triple, but never trouble your mother. So stay blessed and keep smiling. Just keep the positive energy all the way. Peace.